Hey, what's up? It is Nikki D here with Manifest Your Wealth 24/7, and I am back with another video. Listen, if you are in business, let me tell you, this is what you need. Let me say it again. This is what you need. I want to show you something that I am using that is so dynamic and so powerful, especially for the new marketers online, all right? If you have a business and you have trouble closing sales, or if you have trouble getting organic quality leads, this right here is going to be number one for you, okay? The system is called IPS. It's been around for going on 3 years. And lots of marketers have been using this to help them to learn how to finally market their business correctly so they can get sales, right? So let me show you. You get so much stuff. They show you how to create automated sales funnels. And let me tell you, sales funnels is the lifeline of your business. You want that because that sales funnel is going to allow you to capture emails of all of your leads. All right. So once you have the email captured of all of your leads, you can market to them at any time. They are yours to keep. So this right here is going to teach you how to set that up. All right. Some very important basics. What to say when they ask for information. You have a whole script. Look at that. 6-figure closing script. You have a whole script to show you how to close the sale, how to get people interested in wanting what you have. All right. And we even have some mindset training, you guys. All right. So if you've been struggling with having your mindset right, and you've just been getting frustrated and stuff, you need this in your life. Let me tell you, this has been so great to use. Mindset, everything about mindset, all right? And how to be coachable, all right? The art of persuasion and influencing people, which you have to know how to do that when you're in business. So this is giving you step by step on what to do and how to do it. Even pre-written ads, all right? So many things. I mean, you get so much. Look at all of this. All right, teaching you how to post unlimited ads on high trafficked websites for free. What? Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube, TikTok marketing. TikTok is the newest thing out, and I've been wanting to learn this. So I am about to dig into that myself personally, all right? But all of this here is found in the back office. And you want to know the most amazing thing about this? You're not paying $25 a month. You're not paying $50 a month, not $100 a month. You're not paying monthly at all, a matter of fact. It's only $50. Okay, you have 3 levels. You have the $50, the $150, and the $300 level. What I just showed you here with the TikTok training, YouTube, and Instagram, this is the $300 level. Okay, so the $300 level has everything in it, plus live trainings, all right? Then you have the elite level, which is $150, which has some YouTube training, along with the 6-figure scripts, the daily success plans, and all that stuff. But you will see all that if you click on my link below this video to learn more about it. So it's one-time fees of either $50, $150, or $300, and then an admin fee of $25. Okay, so the creator gets paid basically off the admin fees. You get 100% commissions off of this. So when you share this with other people who join your team in your business, or if you just want to share this with your other net marketing friends, it's a one-time fee. You get 100% commission. You can't beat that, all right? And you have ongoing access to everything that she puts in here and anything additional that she adds. We also have a coaching group as well. And we even have a Facebook proof group. Let me see if I can pull that up for you all real quick. We have a Facebook proof group, all right? And so I just want to show this with you. That's my page. All right, and so let's pull it up real quick. Give me just a moment. See how I have the coaching group? You'll get that as a paid member. And we have live trainings in there too. So you get access to all of that when you pay. All right, the one-time fee. So this right here is the proof group. And this proof group we have trainings in here. And this is the free group, all right? You have trainings in here. And this is just so people can see how we're making money with this opportunity, how this opportunity is allowing us to make money. All right. So there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of people being added in here and such. This guy just joined the elite level. His name is Charles here. And I want to congratulate Charles on here for joining the elite level. Like I said, he'll get that YouTube training on top of all the other stuff. So there's so many people. Look, this is my sponsor, Robin. She is at the $300 level, all right? The pro level, one-time fee, and she has access to TikTok marketing, Craigslist, YouTube marketing, and all of that. So, this is real results. Look, this girl here, Pandora, just made $300 commission. So this stuff absolutely works, all right? So if you're interested in learning more about this and using this for your business as a tool, as well as promoting this to other network marketers like yourself, make sure you click the link below this video so you can get started and get more information. I will also have a link to my Facebook page, all right? And so you can see what my Facebook page looks like. Here we go, all right? So you'll have the link to my Facebook page so you can contact me one-on-one so I can get you started and get you plugged into everything, all right? So with that being said, my name is Nikki D here. I believe in manifesting your wealth 24/7. That is mentally, physically, and spiritually. And with that being said, I'm out.